everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Children, in this video, we are going to learn about adverbs. As you all know, an adjective is used to describe a noun. Similarly, an adverb is used to describe a verb. But an adverb can also be used to describe an adjective or another adverb. So, in this video, we are going to learn how an adverb works.
Let's first of all see what adverbs are. So, an adverb is a word that can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Children, this means an adjective can not only modify a verb, but it can modify another adverb or an adjective in a sentence. But today we are going to discuss only those cases where an adverb modifies a verb. So, when an adverb modifies a verb, it tells us how, when, where, or how often the action is performed. Now let's look at some examples to understand this. If somebody is telling you that he ran, your question could be how did he run? And then the response will be he ran quickly. This kind of adverb is known as an adverb of manner, which tells you how an action took place. Similarly, if you ask when did he run, the response can be he ran yesterday. So, this adverb tells you the time when the action took place. Such an adverb is known as an adverb of time. And if you ask where did he run, the response will be he ran here. Here means the place. Such an adverb is known as an adverb of place. And if you ask how often does he run, the answer could be he runs daily. This tells you the frequency of the action or how often this action takes place. Such an adverb is known as the adverb of frequency. Let's now look at the various types of adverbs. The first is an adverb of manner. This answers the question, how did the action take place? So, it is going to describe the manner in which the action takes place. The next is adverbs of time. These adverbs tell you when did the action take place. So, they are going to talk about the time when the action takes place. The next is an adverb of place. This adverb tells you where did the action take place. So it is going to tell you about the place where the action took place. And the last is an adverb of frequency. This talks about the frequency of the action and answers the question how often the action takes place. So children, these are the four types of adverbs, that is adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of frequency. Now first of all, we are going to talk about the adverbs of manner. It answers the question how. Some words which can be used as adverbs of manner are carefully, hurriedly, slowly, quickly, gently, beautifully, loudly, greedily, and so on. Let's look at some examples which illustrate the use of adverbs of manner. The first one says, she read the letter carefully. The kids eagerly tore the wrapping paper off their Christmas presents. He ran quickly, or he hurriedly ate the chocolate cake. So in all these sentences, you can make out that the question being asked is how did the action take place? And the answer is carefully, eagerly, quickly, or hurriedly. The next type is adverbs of time. It answers the question when. Some words which can be used as adverbs of time are today, yesterday, soon, afterwards, recently, on Monday, next month, and so on. Now let's look at some examples of adverbs of time. The first one being Goldilocks went to the bear's house yesterday. I saw Sally recently. I'll call you later. I have to leave now. They have a match next week. In all these statements, the question being answered is when, and the response is yesterday, recently, later, now, or next week. So these were the adverbs of time. And now let's look at adverbs of place. It answers the question where. Some words that can be used as adverbs of place are here, there, everywhere, outside, upstairs, anywhere, away, at the airport, in the park, and other such phrases. Now, let's look at the examples using adverbs of place. The first one says, she'll stay there for a few days. We were waiting outside. The people gazed upwards at the meteor shower. I stay at home most of the times. So all these statements answer the question where. Now the last type which we are going to do is adverbs of frequency. This answers the question how often. Now some words that can be used as adverbs of frequency are always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, hardly ever, never, and so on. Now let's look at some statements illustrating the use of adverbs of frequency. The first one is, she often visits the orphanage. I go for a morning walk every day. He never tells a lie. We have hardly ever spoken to each other. Now the words like often, every day, never, and hardly ever answer the question how often something is done. So children, these were the 4 different types of adverbs which are used to modify a verb. So children, did you like the video? If yes, don't forget to share it with your friends, the manner in which you liked this presentation and the time when you saw it.